Alright, so today we're going to talk about fixing the reverse light switch in the K1500. So when I bought the truck, I found out that the reverse lights did not work on it. So I tested some of the wiring and I did not have power while I was in reverse, and I thought that was kind of strange. And then I read online that if you take it out of reverse gear on the SM465 transmission, you can test for power. So I did have power on both of the wires. And the wires are in here. They're these ones right here, the blue and the green. So what I did is I put a jumper wire connecting this blue wire to the green wire. Sorry about seeing that. So the blue wire to the green wire there, I put a jumper wire. Then I put it in reverse. And then I had one reverse light come on the passenger side. And I didn't have any reverse lights come on before I did that, so that told me that the switch was bad. So then what I had to do is pull up the floor. So I removed some trim covers for the 4x4 here, and for the shifter stuff, which is just in the back there, and pulled up the floors. And then there's all these little bolts here. This is the old switch, which is bad, and on mine it's a plunger style, male into female, with the green and blue wires there. Some of them are just the slide-on connector, and all this is just a little plunger ball in here. And for some reason, I'm not sure what happened, but this switch is actually bad. So I replaced that, and to get at that, you just have to remove those little bolts that you just saw on this little hump cover thing here. You do have to pull the shifter out, which is really easy, and it's right in there is where the new one is. So that's what I replaced. Now I have to put it all back together. There's a couple of bolts in the back in there. I know it's really dark, I'm sorry you can't see, but it's quite easy to do with just a ratchet. And what I found after I replaced that switch is that I still have one taillight that's bad. So the taillight on the driver's side is probably just a broken wire or a ground. So I'll get that fixed up in no time. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know what I did to troubleshoot this problem.